Hi everybody, this is Alex, your instructor for ESL 20A. Just wanted to welcome you to the first week of class. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips on how to succeed in ESL 20A and also how to navigate through our ESL 20A course homepage on Canvas. So as you know, ESL 20A is the Advanced Grammar Workshop. It's a fully online class and it runs for 12 weeks. Just wanted to give you a few tips for succeeding in ESL 20A. First, make sure you read the course syllabus. Make sure you understand it completely. If you don't understand something, contact me by email or contact one of your classmates. Second, check your SMC email every day. You'll get announcements through your email, and it's just a good habit to start all the way through college. Make sure you check your due dates for all your assignments. Usually the assignments are due every Saturday and quizzes or exams are due by Monday of the following week, but sometimes there are some cases where you'll have different due dates, so make sure you read all of the due dates. Make sure you read all the directions for every assignment in exam very carefully. And another suggestion is make sure that you try to do a little bit of the coursework every day. Instead of doing all the assignments on the day before they're due, I recommend doing it this way and doing a little bit of the coursework every day so that you have exposure to English and in general, and also the grammar every day. So now I'm going to show you how to navigate through the ESL 20A Canvas homepage. So when you log into Canvas, your homepage should look like this. So you see that we have the syllabus, and then each of the weeks is labeled as well. I recommend that you do not use this course flow list. You're going to miss a lot of information if you use this course flow list instead of actually clicking onto the week. So click on the week. We'll use week 1 as an example, and you'll see that every week there's an introduction, and then there's a list of the objectives, the things that you'll be able to do by the end of this week, and also why you need to be able to do those things. But the most important thing in every week is the assignment schedule. There's a list of activities and assignments. You should go through all of the activities and assignments in the order that they're presented in the schedule. You can use it kind of like a checklist if you want to. And you see on the right hand side that you have due dates. Not every activity or assignment has a due date, but the assignments that do have a due date, like for example, you have complete the syllabus quiz, this is due on March 5th by 11 p.m. So any assignment that has a due date associated with it is a graded assignment. So this first week, you can see that we have a total of 5 assignments that are checked, and actually 4 of them are graded because the syllabus quiz is ungraded. So just make sure that you check the schedule every week. Again, try not to use this course flow on the Canvas homepage because you're going to miss a lot of the lectures and other activities that help you to complete the assignments. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time. That's the best way to contact me. I check my email 5 or 6 times a day, so please feel free to contact me. Have a good semester and good luck in ESL 20A.